it, squish. Wow, wow, let's bow it together. Bubble, bop it, simple, dimple, bop it, squish. Wow, 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 such fun. Bop it, bop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop, bop, bop it. Bop it, bop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop, bop, bop it. Do you see this bubble? Bop it, bop. Do you see this color? Bop it, bop. We'll take turn and try to pop this bubbles. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 together. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 what fun. Bop it, pop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop, bop, bop it. Bop it, pop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop, bop, bop it. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 together. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 what fun. If you feel sad, you can always pop, pop, pop. To have more fun, you can always pop, pop, pop. We'll take turn and try to pop this bubbles. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Bop it, pop this bubble, squish. Bop it, bop it, bop, bop, bop it. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 together. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 what fun. If you feel sad, you can always pop, pop, pop. To have more fun, you can always pop, pop, pop. We'll take turn and try to pop this bubbles. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. Wow, 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 together. Bubble, pop it, simple, dimple, pop it, squish. And pop your squish, pop and squish.
Every time I'm in the mirror, I see you looking at me, leaning on my shoulder, holding my hand, kissing my cheek. I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally